Aunt Kaveri always blames Radha, but you know Radha, right? She doesn't lie.
But this is also true, Mohan.
Mom, this could be...
Gone are those days, Mohan. When this girl Radha didn't used to lie at all. She lied to us about the letter, didn't she? Have you forgotten?
You will give me a guarantee. Didn't you come to me to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage? You gave me a guarantee. I already lost my daughter. I won't lose my granddaughter.
Damini, what did you think? You would sneak out at midnight and pull off some scam and I would not know about it?
What scam? I went to meet my friends.
Oh, nice. I had no idea, Damini, that Tulsi's brother, Gungun's uncle was such a good friend.
The fool thinks he was exposed because of Radha. He doesn't know I was the mastermind.
But Gungun hates Damini a lot. She will never call Damini mom.
Radha, you are the only one who can do this.
Me?
Yes, you. Radha, you have to somehow convince Gungun to call Damini mom in front of the lawyer and the social worker.
Now that's what I want. Radha is trapped.
Radha, please. I cannot lose my daughter under any circumstances, Radha.
No, Mohan. Why are you saying that? I will do my best. I will do my best to ensure that Gungun addresses Sister Damini as mom.
What was that, Radha? You planned to call off the wedding, but the alliance has been formed. The wedding won't be called off. Your dream has shattered.
And just because all this is happening, don't imagine I have forget what happened some time ago, Damini. And also how you insulted Radha.
Do you think you can replace me by marrying Mohan? Who do you think you are?
Damini!
Mohan, I wasn't insulting her. I mean, because of Gungun, there was some confusion, that's all.
Is the confusion clear now? Then apologize.
Mohan,
I asked you to apologize. Say sorry.
sorry.
Not like that. Just a while ago, you wrenched Radha's arm in public. Now you will beg for her forgiveness in front of everyone.
I'm sorry.
Damini, now forget everything.
Mohan, can we go? We must convince Gungun.
My. Oh! So that's my little bomb. Let me hide too. Is there space for me? I can manage, no big deal. Let me make some space.
Yes, I'll come too.
Hey, there is no space for you. Where can you sit? Okay, you sit here, we will form a triangle and speak.
Mohan,
Yeah,
when things are serious, don't speak in English.
fine, I won't. So? What's wrong? Is your doll broken? Is this the reason that my little doll looks so sad? What is it?
Stop joking. Granny will take me to her house. That's why I'm
Oh
sitting here.
no, now who will I play with? If Granny plays with my doll, I won't play with you, obviously. Who will I play with? You tell me. What can I say? You tell me. With whom will I? Listen, Gungun, such tiny things shouldn't worry you so much.
This isn't a tiny matter, Mohan. She came with a lawyer. They have shown in the movies that when someone comes with a lawyer, then it is something to worry about.
Yes, Gungun, when lawyers turn up at your house with a social worker, it is indeed something to worry about.
I don't want to leave this place, Mohan. Please. Don't force me to go away, Mohan. Please. I want to stay here with Grandma. I want to be with Aunt and Radha. And with you.
Hey,
Mohan, I don't want to leave this place. Please let me stay. Don't let me go. Please, Mohan, do something.
Gungun, nobody in the world has the power, Gungun, to take you away from me. You will stay here with me. I promise you. Nobody will take you away.
All right, Gungun. Today you have admitted that you are your dad's doll. Now you can't say that you don't love your dad at all. Everyone can see how much you love Mohan.
Gungun, it doesn't need to be sad. You are a strong girl, right? Just like your dad. Am I right? When they come for the haldi ceremony tomorrow, you just have to act as if you are very happy here. Hmm?
Does that mean I have to speak to them?
And there is something else you must do.
What do I need to do?
You have to address Damini as mom.
Gungun, others might be ready to put up with your tantrums. If you try to do this again, then you must do as I say. You will live as it pleases me.
Listen, Gungun, you must show that you like Damini and you must make it seem to them that Damini can be your mother. Hey, I know very well. I know very well that you don't like Damini. But if they find that out, they will take you away from me and away with them.
And Gungun, my dear, we always teach you to be honest, right? You know, Gungun, Lord Krishna has said in the Bhagavad Gita that if you lie for something good, it's not wrong. So you have to tell a lie tomorrow so that you can stay with your dad. So you can stay with your family. Okay?
And you too, Radha.
I wish that was possible, dear, but perhaps Lord Krishna formed our relationship for a very short time.
Is this the only option I have? To be with both of you?
Yes, Gungun.
I can do anything to stay with you. I will call that Dumbo Domini my mother.
How do you like the taste of defeat, Radha? Until yesterday, you wanted to call off my wedding. Today, now you have to convince Gungun to call me mother.
Only Lord Krishna knows if I have lost or not. How did you assume that you have won? I had to convince Gungun to call you mother, which is a lie. You would have won if Gungun wanted to call you her mother. But how could that be? Despite staying together for years, you could not make a place in Mohan's heart. You were constantly carving your niche in this house. Whatever I did was for Gungun and Mohan. So that the father and daughter would be together. Gungun would not lose her family.
You know, once I marry Mohan, then Gungun will accept me as her mother. Okay?
You don't have to get married or give birth to be a mother. Being a mother is an act of love. But how will you understand that, sister?
Can't you digest your meals without peddling cheap wisdom? You declaim all day. Aren't you tired of it? Anyway, Devi Pujan is done today. The Haldi ceremony will take place tomorrow.
I guess you just love being at war, Sister Damini. You have not understood me yet. It's okay. Let me explain it again. If you love Mohan, Gungun, and this family a lot, then I will get rid of the impediments in your path to marrying him. But if my doubts are true and you have any bad intentions, even if Lord Krishna is present at the wedding, I will not allow this wedding to happen. And as for the other rituals, the invite of your wedding has not been offered to Goddess Durga yet, Sister Damini. We will know what Lord Krishna and Goddess Durga want during the Haldi ceremony tomorrow.
Your Lord Krishna won't get what he wants. Neither will the Divine Mother. I will get what I want. There won't be any issues at the Haldi ceremony. Mohan will be mine forever. Only mine.
You have to address Damini as mom. Gungun? Gungun?
Hey, wait! Ajit, my dear.
Yes.
Let's have some rocking music so that we can have a blast. After all, I am the bride's mother, you see. So I can dance a bit more.
Aunt Kaveri, that's the best idea ever. Who will dance if not us? Just watch the money, okay?
I don't have to give it back.
honest with you, Ajit. These glasses look better on me than Katrina Kaif.
Sister?
What? Kadambari has come.
Sister, what was the need to do all this?
Aunt, we decided it would be a small event.
Yes, Aunt Kaveri. Gungun has been nervous since yesterday. This may spook her more. Why did you do all this?
What does that mean? And who are you to say that, Radha? I am the bride. It is my event and it is my wedding. Then who decides what will happen at the wedding? I will, right? Shouldn't we celebrate just because Gungun is nervous?
Now you are finally being candid. You can only enjoy while others are nervous.
I mean to say that we are doing what we are for Gungun only, Mohan. When the child welfare folks come here, then they will see the positive vibes in the family, right? That's when they will believe that Gungun is happy with us. I mean to say that nothing must seem fake, right?
You are the greatest fake here, Damini.
Damini is right, Mohan. It's important that the child welfare folks approve of the vibe.
Yes.
The child may not be well, but the vibe must be good, right?
Mohan,
I'm saying the truth.
Please, Mohan, please try to understand we are doing all this to keep Gungun in this house, nothing else. Whether we want it or not, we have to do this, son.
Fine then, play on, why stop?
Mohan,
Mohan!
Radha. Where are you going? This is Mohan and my haldi ceremony. Our family is going to take part in this ceremony. What right do you have to be here?
I'm actually more.
Hey, do you have to interfere in everything? Get lost. Go and do your job. Go on. Go and help Dulari.
As I told you, Radha, this is Mohan and my haldi ceremony. And we will handle it as a couple. We will see what is right or not for our daughter. You need not to worry about it. We don't need advice from outsiders.
Damini can't do anything but hurt other people. Let it go, Radha. Please ignore her.
By the way, happy turmeric ceremony.
Thank you.
Radha, are you in tears?
No,
Until you tell Mohan that you are in love with him, Damini will keep making us cry. And if she marries Mohan, then you will see. She will make Mohan grieve too. Go and tell Mohan. Tell him.
no, Gungun. Right now, it's not about me. What's more important is you to stay in this house, whether I live or not. So, Gungun, please do what I ask you to do. We can't make any mistakes, Gungun. Do you understand, Gungun? You drink this.
You know how to burn to light up someone else's life, Radha. Your name is Radha, but your love has the devotion of Saint Meera. You have given everything, but you don't want anything in return. Your Mohan will be with someone else. But Radha, still you won't think of yourself but only about Gungun. This is what makes you as Gungun's mother. A mother is the one who thinks of her child first instead of her own self. Hey Lord, please perform a miracle so that just as the ritual of the goddess was done by Radha and Mohan, in the same manner, they both should have the turmeric ritual together.
Damini, I had thought you can work on only one game at a time. But wow, you are so astute. You made such a clever move, I could not imagine. Now that little girl will have to address you as mom. If she addresses you as mom, then you will win. And if she does not call you mom, then she will lose. From this house, she will have to go forever. And that runt of a girl. That girl, seeing you with Mohan, she will sob into her pillow and she'll keep crying and crying. You'll see.
It's not a clever move, Mom. I am making the moves of a queen. I have done all that I could. Gungun's custody case was only started because it would pressure Mohan into marrying me. Just wait and see. Mom, once I marry Mohan, then I will never let him win this case. Then Gungun will go to her maternal grandma's place. So the first enemy is neutralized. And if Gungun isn't here, then this girl Radha has no reason to stay here. And if Gungun is out, Radha is out too. That makes the second enemy neutralized.
But what will we do about that third enemy, that ghost?
Don't worry, Mom. I am speaking to Guruma. Once I handle Gungun, I will handle her mother too.
Now tell me honestly, dear, weren't those shades looking great on me? It has to be. I'm so fair-skinned, so it has to suit me, right? The way I dance like this.
Gungun dear, there is a function at home today and you aren't ready yet. Obey your mom and just get ready.
Don't pretend to be my mom. I hate you.
Really? You hate me? Then who do you love? Your friend Radha?
Yes. You hurt her a lot today. Don't treat her in that manner.
Oh, you are the one I will cause pain to. If you say yes, then I will be your mom. And if you say no, then you will be out of this house. Look over there. Your grandma, grandpa, Uncle Jeet, Aunt Ketki, Uncle Rahul. Take a good look at them one last time. If you want, you can also take a selfie with them. Because if you don't call me mom today, then the bad people from child welfare will come here and take you away. And then you will never be able to meet them again. Understood?
You will always be cruel, Damini. Have you forgotten what I did to you? Just stay away from Gungun.
So if you don't want to say goodbye to them, and if you want to stay in this house, then get used to calling me mom. Otherwise, pack your bags and get ready to leave. Get it? For how long are you going to save your daughter? Eventually, I will have control over her. Rather, it has already begun. You will see today. Your daughter is going to call me mom. I will never let you live in peace. Nor will I let your daughter live in peace. Today it's my haldi ceremony with Mohan. Let the couple handle everything. You don't need to worry about what's right or wrong for our daughter Radha. We don't need any suggestions.
Until you tell Mohan that you are in love with him, Damini will keep making us cry.
Radha,
Yes, Aunt Kadambari.
what are you doing, dear?
Well, this.
The haldi ceremony will be a success only when the loved ones participate in it. Now Radha loves Mohan. And me so much. So she deserves to make the turmeric paste. When Mohan and I apply the turmeric paste made by Radha, only then we will be bound together for life, right? Am I right, Aunt? Grind it, Radha. make the turmeric paste with your tears instead of water. The glow that it gives my skin will be double. What are you looking at? Are you trying to scare me? Are you going to hit me or are you going to complain to Mohan?
Mohan?
What happened, Radha?
Well, please come here. Sister Damini wants to tell you something.
Oh God, I was just teasing her. I hope she doesn't tell him the truth.
What happened?
Mohan, actually, Sister Damini wants to tell you that
Tell me.
she said that you have been upset since morning. Everything is going to be fine.
Everything is going to be fine when Gungun stops fretting. And when the custody drama is over.
Mohan, Gungun is your daughter. She is as smart as you are. She knows when and how to act in public as well as what to do. She knows everything.
Hey Radha, my dear, you have ground the turmeric properly, Do you know, dear, after the turmeric ceremony, the groom and the bride get close to each other. Do you know, Radha? My Damini and Mohan will come close to each other only because of you. Such a beautiful couple this is. Oh Lord, I fear I'll cast an evil eye on them.
This ceremony doesn't bring the bride and groom physically close. It makes their hearts grow fonder. But Mohan's heart already belongs to someone else.
Gungun, all of your tantrums might work on others. If you even try to do that again, then you have to do what I say. You have to behave as I want. So if you don't want to say goodbye to them and if you want to stay in this house, then get used to calling me mom. Otherwise, pack your bags and get ready to leave.
Mr. Trivedi, hello.
Hello. Hello.
I'm Chanchal Sharma from the Child Welfare Department. This is Ashish Shukla from the District Court. I'm here to meet your daughter Gungun. You don't need to be scared of anyone. Okay, Gungun?
Mom, why are you standing there? Come here. Come on, Mom.
Mohana, if this carries on, in future she will tell you to get married to Radha, not me.
Damini, I have no idea why Gungun did this.
Gungun's game is over now. You sabotaged my wedding ritual. Now wait and see what I do to prepare for your funeral.
What is this drama? Come on, get up.
Rahul, don't misbehave.
Am I misbehaving?
Lower your voice, Rahul.
Now no one can force me to do anything. Now Mohan and Radha's wedding has been confirmed. What will the distant relative do now?
Wait for some time. Then you will get to know how much your daughter has wronged you.